Hi guys, so in today's tutorial I will share with you guys on how you can easily achieve this pleated skirt. So let's dive into today's tutorial. So guys, I'm making use of a crepe fabric. What I have here is 2.5 yard and the waist is 35. The length is 22 minus 1.5 inch for waistband. Yours could be shorter if you want, okay? To determine the wideness of your fabric, like how much fabric you need for the skirt, you will need to make use of times 3 of your waist measurement or times 2.5 of your waist measurement. I'm working with 2.5 yard, you get. So the next you want to do is to mark your zip allowance. I marked 1.5 inch for the zip allowance, and for my pleat weight, I'll mark 1.5 inch. If you want the boldness of your pleat small, you can mark like 1 inch. If you want it big, you can mark 2 inch. For me, I'm marking 1.5 inch, and this is for my client. Do you get? So you will mark to the other side of the fabric, then repeat the same thing at the hem. Okay, but before you mark the hem, you should fold the hem first. Okay, hem it, then go ahead and mark 1 inch, 1.5 inch or 2 inch. It depends on what you want. Also mark the zipper allowance on the other side. So now I want to pick the pleat. So from this first point, I'm going to pleat it, then place it at the second point. Then you go ahead and pin just like I did here. Just watch what I'm doing. Then the second pleat, you're going to pick it from this other point. You place it on the other point, then use pin to hold it just this way. Then you pick again at the other side, you place it at the other point, then go ahead and pin. You will continue, pleating like so till you get to the other side. Okay, so after pleating on the other side, you are going to repeat the same thing at the hem. All right, so watch what I'm doing. So after pleating the other side, this is the upper part, that is the waistline, and this is the hem. All right, so you fold at the top, fold at the down as well. So after folding, you are going to take your waist circumference. The waist circumference of my client is 35 inch, so I had excess there. I already marked 1.5 inch for zip allowance. Okay, so I will have to cut through the straight line I have there. Just after marking, after folding, you take your measurement, your waist measurement minus your zip allowance. If you have any excess, unpin that side, then go ahead and trim out your excesses. Do you get? So right now, the next thing I want to do now is to arrange my pleat very well like so, then use my steam iron to iron it so that I can achieve the pleat effect. All right, so I'm using a steam iron. Steam iron is very good. If you don't have steam iron, you can easily just spare water and iron very properly. Make sure your iron is very hot. My crepe is a very thick one, so I'll just make sure I iron very properly. Then after doing that, I will have to arrange the other side. You arrange your fold, then you go ahead and iron as well. Okay, so I'll continue doing this till I get to the other side of the waistline.
I won't fall when I'm picking you up. Of my hand, I will be strong enough. Our love is stronger, and I'll be here. My lead, now we're taking the jump. My pride, 'cause I know you're the one. Our love is stronger. Baby, I know that it's stronger than yesterday. space for us to breathe.
So after pressing, guys, I will have to remove those pins. Then after removing my pin, the next thing I want to do now is to attach the waistband. The band is 2 inch on a fold. I will use half inch for the joining and I will have 1.5 inch left. So you should go ahead and attach to your waist line just like this. So I've gone ahead to attach this to my waistline, as you can see. So you can see how this looks. The next thing you want to do now is to turn your skirt the wrong side. From the waistline you come down by 8 inch, and also remember to maintain your zip allowance. Remember my zip allowance was 1.5, so I'll mark the 1.5 inch, then I will sew straight. Okay, after sewing I will go ahead and attach my zip. All right, so after attaching the zip, you can see what I have here. My old pleat is bold. That's what my client needs. Yours could be very small. Thank you.